Hey guys, Alex here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple pricing calculator similar with this without any plugins, completely for free, with some basic HTML, JavaScript that you can drop anywhere on your page. So you've probably seen this type of calculators all over the internet. So they typically include something like a select, where you can select specific product or service, and sometimes there's a slider, and then when you drag it, as you can see, the price is changing. When I choose different service here or different material, the price can change. So basically it allows you to uh, quickly display a cost for something, for a product or a service. It can also include checkboxes that you can tick. For example, if there's some additional materials or additional products, additional service, the price will change. You can, if you have a complex logic, you can of course use a plugin like what we are using here in our eStand theme. This is a plugin that you can install, and you can basically configure all of this in your dashboard and select, like input all the values from the dashboard. But in some cases, we need something more simple, and not everyone needs this like plugin, I think, because if your calculator is really simple, you can just use basic HTML and JavaScript and just drag it in Elementor and it will work. And I'm gonna show you how achieve how to achieve just that. So okay, so we understand that uh, the logic, right? So we are changing something like changing the value, and it's changing the price. We are dragging the slider, changing the price. So we are going to do the same, but without any plugin. And the benefit of this is also it's going to be very light, because these plugins are mostly loading a lot of CSS and JavaScript on your front end, on your website. And sometimes you just don't need it. You just need basic, simple calculator with some super basic style, super basic logic. So that's what we are gonna explore in this video. So by the way, guys, if you need this code, I'll attach it somewhere in the description. So definitely check it out so that you can use it on your website. So here's the simple HTML code. Here I am on my Elementor page. So uh, what I do here is that I insert basic HTML widget on a page, as you can see here, and then I simply insert my HTML code right here. So first we are gonna explore what's here. So we have a title, we have a product option drop down here or select. So here we have basic, premium, and deluxe. So when we select premium, as you can see, the price is updating, right? So this is a select right here. So next we have quantity. This is a slider, as you can see here, and we'll check how it works on the front end. So when I change it to something like 10, as you can see, the price multiplied by 10. So that's how it works. Um, so this is a slider here, quantity, and there's a minimum, maximum value. Then we have a check boxes, right? This feature 1, feature 2. So if I tick this checkbox, if I check this, my price will increase by 50. And if I tick this one, my price will increase by another 75. So this is useful, like if you have some additional services included, maybe you are a designer or developer, and then you want to include like speed optimization and then maintenance additional, and then the price will change. So that's the checkboxes. And then there's finally there's a total price that calculates the total price. This is the default total price that's displayed when we load the page. It's set to 100, so you can easily change it here to anything you want. And then this is the most important part. This is basically all the logic in JavaScript here. And then if we scroll downstairs here, we also have some CSS here that you can modify if you want, but these are basically some simple styles for like margins, and there's a styling for this select control here. You can change it if you want. It's all up to you. So we are gonna discuss the most important is this script here. So first we just grab some elements here from the page, and then this is our base prices. So here we can set whatever we want. So let's say that if you have a basic plan, premium plan, and deluxe plan, so you can easily change it here. And if you want to change values, you can also change it here, but just keep in mind that you also gonna need to change this value attribute if you change the name, the title. So for example, if I change deluxe to VIP, I change it here, and then I change value here to VIP also, right here. And then in these base prices, I also change VIP here. And then I can set any price here. And then we have some formatter. This one is for formatting the price. So as you can see that it's set to US dollars by default. So we have this comma here. This is just a basic currency formatting. So you can change it, of course, if you want. If you change it to euro or something, it's up to you. And then this is the main basic function to calculate the price. Basically, it's pretty simple. It just gets the base price, what we select here, and then multiplies it by the quantity value. And currently, the way that it works, so I will just show you from the beginning. So basic is 100. So if we set premium, it's becoming 200 because it's set to 200 here. And then quantity basically multiplies this quantity by this value. So if this 200, so we have 200 times 2, so our value become 400. It's all up to you that you can modify it if you want. You don't have to multiply it, but this kind of just makes sense to make it work like that. So let's say that you have some basic customization and premium customization, and then you have some pages here, like I want to make like 5 pages. So premium, of course, will cost more. So that's why we multiply this quantity by the premium, because you have to spend more hours on premium. So that's basically a logic behind it. And then we have these checkboxes. Okay, so the checkboxes you can also totally modify here. From this feature 1, feature 2, you can change it, of course, to anything that you want. You can put like here, maybe like speed optimization, right? And then the value here will simply add to the total value. It will combine this number to the total value. You can also change it here. So if I want maybe to make it like 100, so I change it here. So this one will be 100. And then, of course, I have to update it here. I also put plus 100. So now when I click this box, my value should increase plus 100. And by the way, in editor, sometimes it doesn't work. So you have to always check it on the front end. So let's see. So I set feature 1 to be 100. So we'll see if it works. So plus 100, yeah, and you can see, so my total price become 200 right now. So we had a basic price of 100 and we plus another 100. Okay, so, and then there's total price here that basically calculates all of this and applies formatting of US dollars. And here is our like event listeners, basically that when we click something that it updates the price. And that's basically it. So if you want to modify or change it, you can easily do this, like if quantity or plans, like if you have maybe like premium and I don't know, maybe you can add another option if you want. It's totally up to you. Like if you want, let's just try to copy this last option, like duplicate, paste it inside, and then we'll change it to be VIP plan, and then this one will be VIP. And of course, I have to also add here additional value of VIP, and let's say that this one will be 400, and let's try to publish. So basically, I added another option to my select uh, that cost $400. So let's see. I select VIP, yeah, and I have $400. And now this one will, of course, multiply. So you put quantity 2, it becomes $800. And then these checkboxes, they work independently of this. Of course, you can modify the logic and make them increase also based on this. So it all depends on the case, of course. And then if you want to add more checkboxes, you can also do this here. Just copy this form group here with this checkbox, add another feature, change price here, and then add additional additional logic here. Don't forget to select this element first from here. So as you can see, feature 1 selects feature 1, ID feature 2 selects feature 2, and then we use it right here to combine our total price, to add to our total price. And that's it basically. This is the code. Let's see how big is it. So it's 136 lines of code, guys. So just try to think that do you really need some heavy plugin like this one here then to achieve this basic thing, or you can just insert this 100 lines of code, modify it a little bit, and then you have super clean native JavaScript calculator, right? So the only disadvantage, of course, that the styling you have to apply manually, and if you want to update some options, it's also all manual. But the benefits are also huge, like speed optimization and remove all this complexity. You know, no need to worry about updates or something. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you uh, want to see more tutorials like this. I'm definitely gonna share more uh, what I know, and I'm always glad to share anything that I know. And if you guys like it, so please hit a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.